for her mama. I'm a fake vulgar right body, rude as unpolite. Tell me in a humble life, tell me is you out.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a maintenance vlog. At least that's what I'm going for, because I look a hot mess. Life has been whooping me. Do you understand? I mean whooping me. I'm just can't get up. But today we gonna get up and we finna fight back. We finna get in the ring. We finna put them boxing gloves on, okay? Because this ain't it. So I have to do my hair. I'm at the hair store now. I have to get some dye because the style that I'm gonna do is actually for a collab that I'm doing with the hair company. So I'm like, okay, I'm just finna use this hair because it makes sense, right? Right. So, oh, I need to get some nails because I'm a press-on girly, and I need to go and get my brows threaded at Walmart. So that is what we're going to be doing because I look look, y'all.
Look at all these.
Look. What is going on, Tristan? And I wanted to get some lash clusters, y'all, but I really don't know if I'm gonna have the patience to try and do that today. So I think I'm just gonna go with my strips. That's what I think I'm gonna do. So hopefully by the end of this video we look like somebody. Remember when I said earlier that the company sent me some hair? So that's just the style I'm gonna wear until I do me another one. So the hair is black. I haven't opened the package, but I'm pretty sure the hair is black because I had to ask the brand if I could dye it. So I went ahead and got me some developer and stuff so I can lift it. And then I got Adore Sienna Brown so I can go ahead and get it as close to my hair as possible. If it's a little off, I'm perfectly okay with that. Now, if when I lift it, it's a good color, I'm not even gonna mess with it anymore. And I was gonna get me some nails from here. Oh, I got lashes. I'm mixing lash 8 from INV and lash 1 because they look pretty close, and yeah. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and get over to Walmart so I can get my brows threaded because the brand wants me to already have the makeup on. So I figured, okay, they want me to have makeup when I make the video. So I said to myself, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything done first. So when I make the video and once my hair is complete, everything else will be done. Except for the nails, because I'm not gonna do the whole braid down, clip ins and everything with nails on, because child, by that time, they might be off. I don't know. But yeah, let's get out of here and go ahead and get to Walmart and then head back home. I just found out that the hair store I really like to go to is relocated next month. What? So now that either means I gotta find another store that I like or go into this one and stock up on everything that I think I'm gonna need. Every time I want lashes and I know for a fact they are going to hit every single time I come to this store, y'all. It's Beauty Depot in Raleigh. It used to be called iBeauty. This is my one that I come to. I don't care how far I gotta drive. I'm coming right here to this store. So now I gotta find me a different store. And I gotta find a way to use my points. If I have, oh my God, y'all, this is so devastating. This is so devastating. Every time I find something that I really like or whatever the case is, then it goes away. I guess this is life. The only thing that's constant is change. And with that being said, I'm finna go to Starbucks. That's neither here nor there, but that's what I'm about to do. Yeah. I got some mascara, y'all, so I can maybe not, so I can lay off the lashes for a little while.
They said, wait. Winston say, what games do you like to play?
Oh. Tristan made me lose my train of thought, but I got some not some lashes, shit. I got some mascara, y'all, so on the days that I don't like, when I don't feel like wearing lashes, because I don't like to wear lashes all the time, but I want the look. And a lot of girlies have been telling me I need to try brown lashes, so I just went ahead and got me some dark brown mascara. So we're gonna see what it looks like. Maybe not today, but we're gonna see what it's giving. Let me open it. Let me see. Then Tail got her some more lip gloss. Show the people, Tail. They want to see you too. They want to see your face too. Yeah.
This is called Classy.
Y'all heard that? It's called Classy. She's a classy girl. Classy girl. Let me see this. Ooh.
It's made plastic.
One thing about a mascara bottle, y'all, it always seems empty. You see what I'm saying? Hold it, Tail. It seems empty. It always seems like there's nothing in it. But y'all, it's dark brown. Y'all think it'll look right on me?
Yeah.
What do y'all think? I don't know. We're going to try it. Because my natural lashes, though, obviously aren't dark brown. They're actually a lot lighter than this, but I want a little of I want a dark look. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I should have got a medium. Was there a medium? I don't care. We're going with this. It is what it is. No.
You said Renee?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Why don't I
Shop for today?
Yes.
All right. Just one item.
Mhm.
This right here for you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
wonderful day for you.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't I? It's good.
Huh?
It's good.
No, we used to have that gun back in the day, Tristan. And y'all, I just got a notification from Facebook. It said my reel reached 25,000 views. Now, I know that's not a lot for somebody, but for me, it is. Like, I just got back on Facebook in last summer, right? And I had 3.7K followers. Now, I'm at 5.1. And my reel got 25,000 plays. What they call it, plays. 25,000 plays. Like, literal me. 25,000 plays. So now my goal is to get my TikTok to 5K by the end of the year, and hopefully I can do that. Not by the end of the year. What am I talking about? That's too small. I got big goals. By the end of April, and today is the 19th. I have 11 days to make that happen. Y'all think I can do it? I'm at 47 something. So
Mom,
let's see.
why do you just want to try some gum? It's good.
I don't know if I told y'all in the beginning of the video that it was from Curls Queen, but yes, it's their 16-inch kinky straight clip-ins, and they sent them black, like I said, but I just said, yes, send it to me, I'll dye it, and they agreed, because clearly, if you're watching my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, whatever, you know my hair isn't black, so a company can't expect to send me black hair and have me wear it. I'm not doing that. But, y'all, I hope this hair don't catch on fire. Look, let me show you what I got. This is what I got. So I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's not. Why do I have this knife right here? Lord. This is what I have. The camera, like, it's lifting, and I use the 30% developer. So it's lifting right. And I had this top on here to trap it in because, child, for some reason, I ain't got no aluminum foil. But anyway, I had the top on there to trap the heat in. And I'm just going to leave it right here. And if it catches on fire, y'all, because I feel like it's heating up. If it catches on fire, y'all call 911 so the ambulance and the people and the fire truck and them can come over here and put this fire out, okay? I'm gonna keep y'all right here to watch it. All right? All right. What happened? Y'all did a good job. I'm proud of y'all. Still right there. It's still intact. There's no smoke. There's no nothing. So we good to go. But it is now 6:17. I thought I was going to get all of this done today. And also, the hair is lifting well, so I may not end up using that dye, which, thank God, if I can skip a step without looking raggedy, then that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to get up. I'm going to take this quick weave out of my head that's been in here way longer than I like to admit. And I am going to wash my hair tonight, deep condition, blow dry, all of that. I'm going to do all of the prep and stuff tonight. So tomorrow when I get up, I'm going to braid my hair down because the brand says they wanted, I'm going to braid my hair down, put the clip-ins on. They said they want a full face of makeup, so I have to do that. I got some lashes, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and put those on. So, also, I have to figure out how I'm going to film this. Because, like I said, I'm going to film putting my lashes on. Have to do short and long. Film myself. Do the hair, probably, because I can't braid my nails. Then do the nails. And then I should look like somebody. Because y'all probably like, girl, why would I want to subscribe to somebody that's looking a mess? A hot mess express. I promise you, I don't look like this all the time. It is the next day, and I'm about to go ahead and get started. It is now, let me tell y'all, it is now 12:47. I'm hoping I can have all of this done by 2 o'clock. I just have to do a braid down, leave a little leave out, you know, clip the hair down. I have to put on a full, well, the brand said they wanted makeup, but you know, I'm not really a makeup girl, and please excuse the way that I look right now. I'm not really a makeup girl, so I'm just going to do the best I can to do like a little light bead, throw in a little eyeliner, call it a day. And because, like I said, I'm going to be filming these videos, like, I'm going to be filming the hair process on both cameras at the same time. So, hopefully that works out. Let me see if I turn it around. Can y'all see? 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 Okay, I think I can do both at the same time because I have my DJI right here. I have my iPhone over here. Please don't think I'm a bad mom. I'm doing mine first so I can hurry up and get the video to the brand, like I said. Because hopefully this is the way that I'm going to take care of my babies. They understand. I communicate with them. I'm not one of them parents, but I communicate with them. And they understand that mommy is trying to get us to a better place. Not just physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially, all of that. So that's the only reason that I'm doing mine first. I can go ahead and knock that video out, get it sent over. Because like I said, it is a paid collab. And then I'm going to get them together the rest of the week. And then, yeah, I'm just rambling now. But yeah. I think I'm going to put 1 on top of 7. Normally when I do this, I just ran up the stairs. That's why I'm out of breath. Normally when I do this, I have the same lashes. But I'm going to do lash 1 and 7. Put these on. And yeah, then get started on the makeup, then braid my little strands down, child. And yeah, hopefully it all comes together. Let's hope and pray that the brand is satisfied with the video. They didn't tell me how long they wanted it to be. But I'm thinking about a minute. I always try to make the videos about a minute. So that's what we're going to do. I put the 2 lashes together and I measure it a little bit. Then I just cut off a very, very little bit. So that's what we're about to do now. Fan it a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. Then I always go with my right eye first. Then we just sit it on there. See that?
I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could.
All right, y'all. So I am finally done. So putting the clip-ins in, that was actually pretty easy. I did have to go back and adjust them. Can I talk? I did have to go back and adjust them a few times because this was my first time doing clip-ins. But look, I think it came out so good, y'all. Look at it. And this is my hair shining like that right here. I don't know why that one piece is that bright. But yes, I think it came out so good. Let me show y'all the back. I think it came out so good. And let me tell you, shout out to Curls Queen again for sending me this hair, because whenever I don't have anything to do to my hair, these clip-ins will be clipped in. Do you hear me? I'm going to do it in a ponytail, half up, half down. I'm telling you, I love, love, love these clip-ins. Because at first they was like, we want to send you kinky straight. And I'm like, I don't know about that. Well, at first I said, is this a scam? Because, you know, you will get scam emails. And then the lady was like, okay, well, I'm going to message you from our official TikTok page. I'm like, all right, bet. So when she did that, and then she was like, she wanted to send kinky straight. I'm like, I don't know, y'all. I actually like it because it resembles my actual hair texture closer than a, like, Brazilian or something like that. So I love this. And I dyed it. No, I bleached it, actually. I was going to dye it, too. But this color is good enough. I actually like a darker brown on me. It's like, it's darker than my natural hair, but not like way darker to the point where it looks black, but I love it. Look at me. I look a lot better today, don't I? I still have to put my nails on, but this took me way longer than I thought it would because, child, I need to run and watch me some makeup tutorials because they said they wanted makeup on. Hopefully this looks good. I looked at it on camera. First of all, let me tell you this. I put makeup on, a full face, I wiped it off. Another full face, wiped it off. This time I just said, okay, something got to work. So I guess the third time was the charm. I hope, because I don't know how this looks on camera, but I hope the third time was the charm. So then I got to film it because it always takes a little longer to do stuff when you have to film it. But I wanted to go ahead and get that video out because more companies are going to start reaching out to me. And yes, I'm speaking that into existence. And I want to have a fast turnaround time. You know what I'm saying? I don't want brands to be like, no, it took her 6 months to make the video. That's bad business. But anyway, I'm going to put my nails on. I might do that tomorrow. Because like I said, I'm running out of time. Now I have to cook dinner. I have other things to do. But at least I'll do it looking pretty. Look, y'all, look. At least I'll do it looking pretty. But yeah. Oh, also, they said they wanted me to take 3 pictures. So I got to go and take 3 good pictures. I'm looking at myself in the mirror, and why do I look so fat? My cycle got to be about to come on, because what? That little face be tearing me up. Like, for real. Like, what is going on? Face look fat. Stomach look fat. Yeah, that be tearing me up. But anyway, let me go take these pictures while I look decent. And yeah, I'll be back with the nails on maybe tomorrow. Hey y'all, so I don't even know what day it is. I don't even know the last thing that I filmed. I think it was me doing my hair, I want to say. And if so, then child, that was a couple of days ago. So if it looks bad now, then that is why. It didn't rain on it and everything. I need to flat iron again, but I don't want to burn off the few strands of hair that I got left. But anyway, child, I did put my nails on. And I broke one because we went bowling last night. So one already broke. I'm just going to take this off, replace it with another one. Yada, yada, yada. It's a blue color. I don't know if it's showing up. I don't know if it's showing up white on camera, but it's actually blue. And I love the way that it came out. It's a really light, springy kind of blue, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, I just had to come back on here and tell y'all, you do not need to spend $1,000 million trillion to make yourself look good. Get you some press-ons from Walmart. Now, I'm not going to say anything because my hair was free. That was gifted. Y'all know that already. But you don't even have to spend a whole lot of money on hair. Go to the hair store, get you some crochet hair. Y'all probably like, ew, crochet? That's making a comeback. Get some crochet hair. Get anything. Do a slick back bun. Do anything just to make yourself look good, because you know when you look good, you feel good, and so on and so forth. I just had to come back and finish off this video finally because I've been MIA. I have been MIA. I'm not even going to lie to y'all, because life be whooping me, but at least I'm getting back in the game. We finna start, you know, we finna get back in the game now. Life might be whooping me, but I'm finna try, and I'm gonna look good while I'm trying. I ain't just finna get beat, look beat, everything. That's just not gonna work. And Tristan wants y'all to see him so bad. He's in the process of getting his hair washed, deep conditioning. So, all right, exit stage left. Thank you. But yeah, he is so funny. Talking about you welcome. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and see if I can get started on this video. It's probably not going to be up today because it's 2:17 right now. It's not a long video anyway, but I don't think it's going to be up today. I could try. Let's see. But thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for always supporting. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for commenting. Thank you to every single person who engages with my content, with my videos in any kind of way. How do you do it the millennial way? This way. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, because without y'all, I would have 0 views, 0 everything. But I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Ciao.